Over 100 years ago, mines relied on manual labor for door operations. As mining evolved, so did the solutions. AMD pioneered mechanized and pneumatic systems for safer, more efficient airflow control. As mines expanded, hydraulic systems offered robust force and safety in tough conditions. Recent electric actuators improved control and efficiency, but faced challenges with wear and maintenance. The AMD Hybrid Actuator merges the best of hydraulic and electric systems into one groundbreaking solution. With no hoses, leaks, or metal-to-metal wear, it's plug and play, delivering unmatched force, efficiency, and reliability. With precision control and network connectivity, it slashes energy costs by 340%, ushering in a new era of smart mining. At AMD, we're innovating for a safer, more efficient mining future.